Hey guys, welcome back to Selena Thinking Out Loud. Today I'm going to be replenishing my garden beds, my raised beds. I built 2 last year. I'm looking for some other different types, or I may just build 2 more for some corn and other vegetables. I'm going to do summer vegetables. I do have a wheelbarrow here, and I do have some chicken manure. I'm going to use this year in this raised bed soil right here by Kellogg, and as usual I used this last year, really enjoyed it, really worked out really well. Earthworm castings, and I got all of these things from Home Depot, but you can use in your area what works best for you, get some recommendations. Okay, so I'm in one of my raised beds, and the first thing I want to do is remove my drip irrigation so they won't get damaged or anything. So I'm just going to remove all of these lines, and then we'll have free reign to go ahead and put the new soil into this one. Okay, I do also recommend that you clean up your raised bed too. So if you have some bushes, like these are lavender plants, they were pretty much all over the place. So I went ahead and trimmed them up, gave them their oval shape. Okay, in my barrel here, I went ahead and put half a bag of the raised bed soil and half a bag of the compost / manure bag of the chicken manure. And what I'm going to do here with one of my glove hands is mix all of this in here, because my raised beds they're decent height, but I find it much better to just bend over here, mix it in my wheelbarrow, and then I can just tub it, take the whole tub and pour it into my raised bed. Because that's a 4x8 raised bed that I built there. So I'd rather just do this part in here. Last year I did it that other way, where I poured the bag into the raised bed and mixed everything. But I found that it was much more convenient for me to just do it like this year, and then just pour the whole heap of it in there. And as you can see, that's how it looks so far. So the last thing I've been doing is sprinkling in the earthworm castings. And you can find your favorite brand. I know a lot of people use Vermistare and other brands like that. So you can find a brand that works best for you. I find that this is local to where I live, and Home Depot had it. And so I tried it, and it turned out to be great. So I'm just gonna mix this in the soil all the way up. So I've done all of that. So this is how you do it. And then now I'll just water all of this in, and it will be ready to go. All right, so this raised bed is complete. I did put back my drip irrigation in, put the little stakes in to hold it down, and I watered it in, so we're ready to go. I have all of my warm weather seeds starting in the house, because it's still pretty cool at night, but it's really warm in the daytime. But we need that good balance in the night and day for them to thrive. So I'm being patient, but I'm also preparing their bed so they'll be ready to grow and thrive as well. So hopefully you'll get out in nature this year and you'll be able to do the same thing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also comment, let me know if you're going to be doing the same thing, if you're getting your raised beds ready as well, or is it too early still, or are you getting a little bit too much snow still? But I look forward to talking with you in the comments of this video. But until our next video, guys, and until we talk again, stay well, be safe, and God bless you. Bye-bye.